In this video, you will learn how to cancel your Virgin Media broadband, check your contract, review your Virgin Media contract to confirm the minimum term, whether you can cancel early and if there's any fees that may apply, gather account information, have your account number, billing details and personal information ready for verification, contact Virgin Media customer service. This could be by call Virgin Media customer service or use their live chat if available to request a cancellation. Request to cancel broadband. Clearly state that you want to cancel your broadband service. They may offer you a retention deal, but you can decline it if you still want to cancel. Follow instructions for return equipment. If you have been provided with Virgin Media equipment, this could be a TV box or router, you will be given instructions on how to return it to them. Confirm your cancellation. Ask for written confirmation. This could be a letter or email of your cancellation date and any final charges. Now you know how to cancel your Virgin Media broadband. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.